Hi, I'm Dr. Alex. Today I'm going to told you why you're not losing fat even after dieting. 7 mistakes. You've been dieting, you're eating clean. You've cut sugar, junk food, everything. But the fat is not going anywhere. In fact, you might even feel like you're gaining weight. If you're dieting but still not losing fat, you're probably making one of these 7 mistakes, and some of them will shock you. In this video, I'm going to break down the 7 biggest fat loss mistakes that secretly keep you stuck, even if you think you're doing everything right. And trust me, some of these are things almost everyone does without realizing it. If you fix even 2 to 3 of these, your fat loss can completely change. Quick note, fat loss is not instant. Everyone's body works differently, and this video is for educational purposes to help you understand what might be going wrong. Before we start, have you ever followed a strict diet, said no to your favorite foods, and still saw no results? Comment yes below if that's happened to you. I read the comments, and I promise you're not alone. Mistake number 1, eating healthy but too many calories. This is the number 1 trap. You're eating salads, nuts, smoothies, brown bread, but your fat isn't dropping. Here's the problem. Healthy does not mean low calorie. Nuts? Super healthy, but very calorie dense. Smoothies? Can be 500 plus calories easily. Why this happens? People think, if it's healthy, I can eat more of it. How it stops fat loss. Fat loss depends on calorie deficit, not just food quality. Even healthy food can push you into a calorie surplus. Real life example. Someone eats peanut butter toast, smoothie, salad with dressing. All healthy, but 2,000 plus calories. Quick fix. Start being aware of portions. Don't blindly trust healthy labels. Myth. Healthy food or fat loss. Truth, calories still matter. Now this next mistake is where most people think they're doing everything right, but they're actually not. Mistake number 2, not tracking calories properly. You say, I don't eat much, but do you actually know why this happens? People underestimate food intake. They forget cooking oil, snacks, drinks, how it stops fat loss. Even small miscalculations can add 300 to 500 extra calories daily. That's enough to stop fat loss completely. Real life example. You eat 1 small snack, a few biscuits, extra sauce. Boom, 400 calories. Quick fix. Track your food for just 7 days. Use simple apps or rough estimates. Myth. I can guess my calories. Most people are way off. But here's something even more surprising. Mistake number 3, eating too little. Yes, this sounds weird, but eating too little can also stop fat loss. Why this happens? People think, the less I eat, the faster I lose fat. What actually happens? Your body slows down metabolism to survive. You feel low energy, cravings, weakness. How it stops fat loss. Your body adapts and burns fewer calories. Real life example. Someone eats 800 calories a day, loses weight, plateaus, quits. Quick fix. Don't go extreme. Eat a moderate calorie deficit. Myth. Starving faster fat loss. It usually backfires. Now this next mistake is a silent killer for fat loss. Mistake number 4, not eating enough protein. Protein is everything for fat loss. Why this happens? People focus only on cutting calories, not nutrients. How it stops fat loss. Low protein leads to muscle loss, more hunger, slower metabolism. Real life example. Diet, rice plus vegetables only, low protein, poor results. Quick fix. Add protein in every meal. Examples. Eggs, chicken, yogurt, lentils. Myth. Protein is only for bodybuilders. It's essential for everyone. And this next one? This is where most diets completely fail. Mistake number 5, weekend cheat overload. You eat clean Monday to Friday. Then boom, weekend hits. Why this happens? People reward themselves. How it stops fat loss. You erase your entire week's progress in 2 days. Real life example. 5 days deficit. 2 days binge, 0 progress. Quick fix. Balance, not extremes. Plan controlled treats. Myth. I deserve this cheat meal. It depends on how much. Now this next mistake has nothing to do with food, but everything to do with fat loss. Mistake number 6. Poor sleep and high stress. You could have the perfect diet, but if your sleep is bad, fat loss suffers. Why this happens? Modern lifestyle and stress, plus late nights. How it stops fat loss. Increases hunger hormones, reduces recovery, promotes fat storage. Real life example. Sleeping 4 or 5 hours, constant cravings, overeating. Quick fix. Aim for 7-8 hours sleep. Reduce stress. Walking, breaks, breathing. Myth. Sleep doesn't affect fat loss. It absolutely does. And finally, this is the biggest reason people fail. Mistake the 7, expecting fast results and giving up. This one hurts. Why this happens? Social media shows lose 10 kilo in 10 days. Reality? Fat loss is slow. How it stops fat loss? People quit too early. Real life example. 2 weeks no visible change. Quick restart cycle. Quick fix. Track progress weekly. Focus on consistency, not speed. Myth. If it's not fast, it's not working. Slow progress is real progress. Let's go deeper. Crash diet cycle. Diet, lose weight, regain, repeat. Why? Unsustainable habits. Fix. Make it lifestyle, not punishment. Emotional eating. Stress, food, guilt, repeat. Fix. Recognize triggers. Find alternatives, walk, talk, rest, all or nothing mindset. I ate one bad meal, day ruined. Fix. One mistake, failure. Social pressure. Friends, family, events. Fix. Learn balance, not isolation. Mini education segment. Let's simplify fat loss. Calorie deficit. You must burn more calories than you eat. That's it. Simple, but not easy. Why protein matters? Protein keeps you full, protects muscle, boosts metabolism. Consistency beats perfection, not perfect diet. Consistent diet wins. Practical fat loss plan. Let's make it simple. Diet. Eat slightly less than usual. Focus on protein. Control portions. Workout. 3 to 5 days a week. Strength training plus walking. Even walking daily helps a lot. Lifestyle. Sleep 7-8 hours. Drink water. Reduce stress. You don't need extreme plans. You need consistent, simple habits. Now you know exactly why you're stuck, and more importantly, how to fix it. If this helped you, hit like. Subscribe for more real fitness advice. Comment fixed if you're ready to change. And watch this next video to learn how to lose fat faster without starving yourself.